Hello, good morning.
Hello ma'am, good morning.
Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Lisa Tabardilla, 30 years old. I live at Las Marinas, Cavite. Married with 2 kids. I have 5 brothers and 3 sisters, youngest of the family ma'am.
Okay, so how old are your children?
9 and 3 ma'am.
Okay, so are you married?
Yes ma'am.
Do you have any experience in working abroad before as a domestic helper?
No ma'am.
How about in the Philippines?
Yes ma'am.
Who is your employer?
Janet Galang ma'am.
How many are them in the family?
6 ma'am.
How long did you stay in that employer?
2 years ma'am.
So you finished your contract with them?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, what are your main duties in your previous employer?
Washing clothes ma'am, ironing, cleaning, and gardening, cooking ma'am.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
To earn money ma'am and to support my family.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes ma'am,
Like?
steamed fish and fried rice.
Are you willing to learn more?
Yes ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, what can you teach to your employer's children?
Good manners, speak English and write English ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes ma'am.
Can you give an example, please?
Yes ma'am. I have 2 hands, the left and the right. Hold them upright, so clean and bright. Clap them softly, 1, 2, 3. Clean little hands are good to see.
Okay, thank you. Now, what kind of employer are you looking for?
Nice and understanding ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No ma'am.
So you're willing to take care of pets?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, what can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I am honest and obedient ma'am, hardworking.
Can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Good day ma'am, sir. If you choose me as your worker, I promise I will do my best to do my duties very well. I will promise I will finish my contract. See you in Hong Kong. Thank you.
Thank you.